Hello everyone. In the previous video we have seen how to use the while statement and if-else statement in Linux. In this video we will see how to define an array and see the various syntax of using echo command, which is very important command for printing anything. So let's start with defining an array. So let's say the array name is array name, and just put the values in the array name. Let's put Dell, HP, Oracle, Mac. So this we have defined our array name. You can check the array name. You can simply type $array name. If you type just echo $array name, it will just print only one first value. So if you want to see whole content of this array name, you need to type like this. So it will print everything in that array. If you want to see only the first statement of that array, just change add to 1 and see this HP is the first statement. Linux always start counting from 0, so if you type array name 0, then it will print the del value. If you type array name 4, so it will type, now there is nothing, no value of 4 inside. So if you type array name 3, there is Mac. So this is a way to reference a value in an array in our bash scripting. So we can easily define an array. We can use the for statement for an array, like for I in 1, say 0 to 3, 2 echo, and we can simply type $array name $I. That's it, and done. And it will keep printing the values of this array. You can even change something, echo $echo, and our array value is, and then just close this quotes, and you can see now it will keep printing our array values Dell, HP, Oracle, Mac, etc. So it's very simple to use the array values in Mac, and if you can create an array, you can do many various calculations very easily. Let's see some various versions of using the echo command. If you simply type echo dollar, okay, let's define a very simple value, val equal to 1, 2, 3. Okay, so if you type echo dollar val, let's see, it's 1, 2, 3, and there is enter, and you come to the next one. If you don't want this enter, so you can type echo minus n. So this new line character will be gone, so it will just print 1, 2, 3, and this new line is gone, so it's in the same line. If you want to remove this new line, you can simply remove it, and just you can print it like this. Instead of that, if you can type use new line character inside the quotes also, like if you use echo minus e and then type this is say use the new line character as coding for, say, nuts. Okay, so that's all. So you can see that this is, and then there's new line character, so there is enter, and then there is space, so we can see there is space, then as coding for, and then new line, so we see there is a new line, and then there is some space, so we see that it started with some space, and then there is nuts. It's very easy. Similarly, if you don't want to use new line character, you can use tab also. So you can see there is a tab here. Instead, you can make some alert sound also, like if you type a, so there is some alert sound. You can make some alert sound, so which sometimes might be really useful in writing your script. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the